Unit 4 Biotechnology and its application. Recombinant DNA technology. Manipulation of gene and genetic material by man is the fast emerging branch of the science which is started with the formation of recombinant DNA molecule. This branch of science is named as DNA recombinant technology. Recombinant technology is also called genetic engineering. This is a process in which the alteration of the genetic makeup of the cell is done by the deliberate artificial means. This process involves transfer or replacement of gene to create recombinant DNA. This can be done by cutting DNA molecule at a specific site to get fragments containing desirable and useful gene from one type of cell. These gene can be inserted into suitable carrier of vector. This recombinant DNA can be put into different cells of bacterium or plant or animal. By this technique, useful characters such as disease resistant or the makeup useful enzyme, hormone, vaccines, etc. Recombinant DNA technology is the field of the biotechnology and that developing new combination of genetic material called rDNA. rDNA is to be artificial constructed in the laboratory for construction in host cell for the propagation and manipulation. The various tools are required for recombinant DNA technology, such as the enzyme source of the DNA, etc. The polymerase enzyme, ligase, vectors, etc. Here is the enzyme given here. The many different type of the enzyme, such as the lysine enzyme, cleavage, exogenous, endogenous, restricted in the enzyme is given here, single standard, and also the different type of enzyme that is known as the written here restriction enzyme or of the different types. Synthetic enzyme that is the play important role in the DNA technology. Reverse transcripted RNA polymerase joining enzyme that is a ligase, etc. Here is a process of genetic reproduction which can be represented by means of the diagram. Here is a bacteria, that is the Agrobacterium tumefaciens. Here is a T1 plasmid is present. T stand for the tumefaciens, and here the cell, the gene which is desired gene is transferred. First of all, the DNA of the Agrobacterium is taken out, that is the T1 plasmid, and it is cut by means of the restricted enzyme, and the desired DNA is attached with the help of the ligase enzyme. Now it is transferred to the cells, inserted into the cells, which can be transferred to the plant cell to create a new character, or it is also can be transferred in the bacterial cells to grow the number of the rDNA plasmid to get the new characters. That's all. Thank you.